This is what's so cool about manufacturing.
Hello, my name is Dr. Dirk Frese. So what we at eLabo USA do, we provide temperature control products. Precise temperature control is needed in various processes and originally specifically in chemistry and pharma. I'm responsible here at eLabo USA for marketing, sales and service. So we are serving laboratories, we are also serving industries and quality control and processes in general.
Hi, I'm Mark Diener and I'm the Senior Product Manager with eLabo USA. One thing I really like about my job is that no 2 days are the same. They're also widely used in the chemical, pharmaceutical and biotech industry during the COVID situation when they were developing the vaccines and the
Hello, I'm Bruce Troutman from eLabo USA. I'm the Service Manager. Details of my job position is to oversee service throughout the United States, also service providers that we have on the West Coast, also educate all the service technicians that we have within the eLabo USA company, and also the service providers.
Hi, I'm Brian Barrett. So right now this one has a problem. It has a very small leak and I'm trying to find it. So I have the heat exchanger opened up. This has a lot of sophistication.
So let me talk a little bit about our mascot. That's this little cute little frog. They only hop forward. You have never seen a frog leaping backwards. And that's exactly what eLabo USA stands for. We are growing, we are successfully growing, and we always go forward and ahead.
This is what's so cool about manufacturing.